This is gonna be a quick one. We're gonna replace the side motor brush on a Roomba i3 vacuum. So what happens on these side brushes, the motors will go out, or in my case, the motor's still working, but this is worn down to where it's slipping even with a new brush. So first step is to actually remove the brush. Just loosen that one screw there. Then you're gonna loosen this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw. And they don't actually come out, they stay in the housing, but once you loosen those off, you can pull this cover off. And now we have access to the motor. Loosen this screw and this screw, and then pull the motor assembly out. Take your new motor assembly. This one purchased from Amazon, put a link in the description, and set it in place and tighten your screws up. Once screws are tight, take your cover and set it back on and tighten your screws back down. Next, we will take our new brush that came with the motor, set it in place, and tighten the screw down. And that's it. Dispose of your old motor properly, and your vacuum's ready to vacuum again. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.